So the balance board is a great exercise to help with ankle mobility and for overall carryover to maybe general health and general wellness. Now, I've got two balance boards here, and they're just a way for when I'm working with clients to give them a different feel of conditions that they place their feet on. What we want to just highlight is understanding the whole base of your foot that you want to be thinking about the contact. So making sure that you're using the whole base from the big toe, the little toe and the heel as a triangle to find that contact all at the same time in order for you to try and maintain a good stable balance. Give that a go, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a DM at any time.